To short sell in Interactive Brokers, first, you need to open a trading account if you haven't already. Ensure that your account is enabled for short selling by checking your account settings. You can do this by logging into the Interactive Brokers platform and navigating to the Account Management section. Once you're set up, you can move on to the next steps. Start by researching the stocks you want to short. Look for stocks that you believe are overvalued or likely to decrease in price. Use the platform's market data and charting tools to analyze trends and identify potential short selling opportunities. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of the stock's performance and market conditions before placing a trade. Next, log into the Trader Workstation or the web platform provided by Interactive Brokers. Enter the stock symbol that you want to short sell into the order entry panel. Specify the number of shares you wish to sell short and ensure that you check the Sell Short option. You can choose to place a market order for an immediate execution or a limit order if you want to set a specific price at which to short sell. After placing your order, monitor your position closely. Keep an eye on the stock's performance and set stop-loss orders to manage your risks. If the stock price moves in your favor, you can eventually buy back the shares at a lower price to cover your short position and secure a profit. Always stay informed about market trends that may affect your short positions and be prepared to adjust your strategy accordingly.